My name is Jennifer Walker. I'm the Configuration Management Manager at AmSafe Aviation in Phoenix, Arizona. The products we create at AmSafe are aviation seatbelts, aviation lap belt airbags, and we have some defense products also. The main challenge that led AmSafe to Fusion Lifecycle was the number of disparate systems that we had. Nothing was connected. We had a lot of information and it was stored in a lot of places, but nobody knew where it was, and we didn't have a good communication process in regards to approvals or engineering change. Fusion Lifecycle is helping us solve these challenges by allowing us to store and, more importantly, have a secure storage for all of our engineering data, by creating automated workflows that are configurable and are assigned to a specific group of people. We can have now our engineering information, our quality information, our regulatory information, safety information, customer information is all connected and accessible in one place. It takes some of the responsibility off me and my team to continuously chase people down and try to find missing data or try to get something completed. Prior to Fusion Lifecycle, it was a matter of finding a blueprint and pulling a blueprint up and taking a look at the documentation within the blueprint. And Fusion Lifecycle has allowed us to create a link to that information where it's 100% visible as soon as you look into the metadata of that specific product.